Hi everyone, and welcome to today's State City Escalators unboxing video. Okay, come on. And bolts, we got a big boy package from Florida. From eBay.
Okay.
Okay.
Stand by it while we cut it open. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Turn off the camera.
But before starting unboxing, there has an original elevator on my channel. On this elevator, we're going to show you. Look at this elevator.
Okay, turn it around.
This is the main elevator at Avery Hall, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. The ThyssenKrupp classic/traditional features from 2004. I was 1 year old. So here we go. Let's go down first because the basement's locked. So here we go.
That's right, Bolt. This elevator is still original. And that chimes are very bad pathetic chimes. But it's silent pathetic.
Okay, see if you can open it.
And Bolt, this elevator button came from Avery Hall at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln.
Well, it's like the one.
It's like one of the buildings is called.
Okay, put it on your bed here. Look, put the box on your bed, and then open it right there, so nothing falls out.
This came from Anthony Lutz, 3042 Garfield Street, Hollywood, Florida.
Okay. Just open this side here. There you go.
All right, folks. Let's see what's in here.
Good wrapping.
Wrapping.
Lots of foam.
See, Bolt. This is wrapping.
That's foam.
That's foam, Bolt.
That's packaging foam.
Packaging foam.
Okay, just set it aside.
Oh, Bolt. Who's love bubble wrappers?
You do, and Mom.
Yeah. See,
Yep.
look at this, Bolt. Bubble wrappers.
More packaging foam.
Packaging.
Okay, just set it up there. Save it and everything. Dad might be able to use it.
Another bubble wrap too. Wow. How many love lots of bubble wrap too?
Well, at least they packed it good.
All right. Another
So much foam, huh?
foam.
Okay.
All right, folks. Let's see what's in what's in here.
Be careful of the edges. The edges might be sharp. Okay, just set it down on top of the box. On top of the box.
On the top of the box.
Alright, so where's the tape at? Here. There.
This is a very late unboxing video.
It's been a long day.
Oh, we have last one there.
Can you do it? There you go.
There we go.
Oh,
Oh,
they sent a back plate for it too.
back plate.
So if you decide to mount it somewhere,
Yeah.
you can mount it somewhere.
Ah.
You got it? Okay.
Okay.
Hang on just a second.
So recording? Yep. This is the back plate.
Yeah, it's pretty sharp.
See, bolts. Look at this. This is the back plate
This is the back plate. It's kind of short, so we'll put it on top here.
on the top.
For now, just to be safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Grab your camera.
All right.
Okay, getting down to the nitty gritty of the meat and potatoes here, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, another last bubble wrap.
Mm-hmm. One more bubble wrap back here.
Oh, Bolt, we have more wirings.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting to do.
Yeah.
Well, they have a small diagram here, and it has this here,
And there it is.
and it has a little key switch there too.
Oh, cool.
And you press your button down here at the bottom.
Yeah.
So I'll have to do some. I'll have to look online and see how we can get the button to light up. Hopefully with a 9 volt,
Yeah.
and you'll be good.
Yeah.
And this might take a few days, so okay.
Okay.
We'll have to get some more 9 volts.
Yep.
So you know where you're gonna put it? Just gonna put it on top for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
This is where we're gonna put it. Right here.
right here.
Mhm.
Oh, that's better.
Like that.
Yep. See, Bolts, that's better.
You're running out of shelf space.
You're almost round up the shelf space.
Okay.
Okay.
You can finish up your video.
All right. All right. Stay tuned for more videos soon.
Okay.
Okay.
We do have Mom see. That's it.
All right, Bolt. That came from at Avery Hall at University of Nebraska Lincoln.
That's the one that is like the same one they have there.
At
Avery Hall.
University of Nebraska Lincoln.
Yep.
All right, Bolt. That was a big elevator button panel. Let me check here. This is the main button panel, and they have a fire service key switch. Yep. All right, that's it. So a big thank you to YouTube's or Star City Elevators. So a big thank you to YouTube's or Star City Elevators. Because I don't want the video credit to Star City Elevators.
Yes, you do. You give credit to him. Okay.
Or going to be of my video.
Oh, is this one yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Here, you do it. Okay.
That was a video credit to me.
Okay.
My video back in last year.
Okay.
Was so that means said, Bolt?
That's it.
Stay tuned for wiring video probably tomorrow or something.
Maybe in a couple days.
Maybe a couple days, Bolt. So what that means said, Bolt, that is going to be it.